Children, today's topic is safety first. If you guessed sticking something into the electrical socket, you are right. Only electrical plugs should be put into electrical outlets. Okay, in electrical outlets, you can put only electrical plugs. Okay, never place anything else into an electrical socket. It may give you a shock or cause a fire. Before plugging anything into an electrical outlet, you check with your parent or an adult. Okay. Don't place any object on the power cord. It may give you shock or even it may cause fire. Okay. Any power cord, don't place any objects on the power cord. It may give you shock or even it may cause fire. Never fly a kite near any kind of overhead wires, okay, because it is very dangerous. Through wires, suppose why it is dangerous? Because through kite, electricity which is flowing in the wires, it can travel to you and you may get a shock. So, before you fly a kite, ask your parents or an adult if it is safe to fly the kite in an area. If you said sticking a fork in the toaster, if you stick a fork in the toaster like this, okay, the fork will get electrified from the toaster and it will give you a shock. If there is something stuck inside the toaster or any other electrical equipment, unplug it first, then ask your parent or adult for an help. So, don't stick any metallic inside the electrical appliances. If you are going to using a hair dryer near water, then also you may get shock, because hair dryers are dangerous in presence of water. Never use a hair dryer near water and never place it in water, because water is the good conductor of electricity and you may get a shock. Or if you find any electrical appliance in or near water, you stay away or tell your parents or adult about it. Because water is the good conductor of electricity, so never touch electrical appliances with wet hands. It may give you shock. Danger sign. The danger sign is displayed on electric poles, power stations, substations and cables carrying high voltage electricity like this, so that the people can stay away from the place, because electric energy is very dangerous. It can even kill a person. Now, what is the warning given? Though electricity is a boon to mankind, but it can be highly dangerous if we become careless while handling it. There are some activities which you should avoid to save yourself from the hazards of electricity. See, electricity is a boon to mankind. It is a reward for mankind, but it can be highly dangerous. So, when you handle any electrical equipment, then you have to be very much careful. Okay. Now coming to safety devices. What are the safety devices which are used at home and everywhere? Fuse. Fuse is the most important safety device used for protecting the circuits due to short circuiting or overloading of the circuit. Whenever something goes wrong in a circuit, the fuse goes off, breaking the supply of current and therefore saving the appliances. See, always the fuse is connected because it is the most safety device. It protects the circuit due to short circuiting or overloading of the circuit, because whenever anything goes wrong in a circuit, it goes off. Fuse goes off and it breaks the supply of the current and therefore saves the appliance. Next is earthing. While wire with green insulation used as safety measure to ensure that any leakage of current to an appliance having metallic body, for example washing machine, does not give any severe shock to the user. The wire which is green, it is insulator wire, okay. It is used as safety measure to ensure that any leakage of the current to the appliance having metallic body, so that it cannot give shock to the user. ठीक है, अर्थिंग लगाई जाती है क्योंकि जिससे कि वो कभी भी अगर करंट का लीकेज होता है तो वो शॉक नहीं देती है अर्थिंग की वजह से। ओके, अगर कभी आपके करंट में लीकेज हो, मीन्स अगर आपके तार, आपका जो वायर होता है वो मेटल से बना होता है अंदर से, और बाहर से प्लास्टिक या कोई और रबर की कोटिंग होती है तार में, आपने देखा होगा, वो रबर और प्लास्टिक की कोटिंग इंसुलेटर का काम करती है, उसको आप छूते हो तो आपको करंट नहीं लगता है। ओके, कभी अगर बाय चांस वो रबर कहीं से कट गया तो आपका अंदर का जो मेटालिक वायर है वो बाहर दिखने लगता है, मतलब करंट का लीकेज हो जाता है। अगर आप उस पार्ट को छुओगे तो आपको तुरंत शॉक लग जाएगा। ओके, तो इन सब चीज़ों से बचाने के लिए अर्थिंग वायर का भी यूज़ किया जाता है, क्योंकि वो इंसुलेशन का काम करता है। ओके, तो जैसे वॉशिंग मशीन आप यूज़ करोगे, इट्स बॉडी इज़ मेड अप ऑफ मेटल, सो बिकॉज ऑफ द अर्थिंग वायर you will not get shock even if there is any leakage of the current. Okay children, now your chapter is complete. Now this much for today's class. Till then, stay safe, stay at home, keep on learning. Thank you children.